numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? In plus door. Indoor. Plum plus ink. Plum ink. Indoor plumbing. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show. As you will recall, at the end of our last program, the gentleman on my left won the game. His name is Matthew Anagnostopoulos. Let's welcome him back to the program. Find out a little bit more about him. You mentioned a little one that has just come into your life. How old is this baby?
Little Andrew, as of today, is 5 weeks old.
5 weeks old. Is he sleeping through the night, or is he staying up a lot? Not yet?
No. If these bags say anything about that.
You look to be in pretty good shape. Now, you mentioned you're a musician, but you're a rock musician, right?
Yes, singer.
With a group, I take it.
Not right now, but I'm in close auditions with a couple different projects.
Okay, good luck to you on the program today. Your opponent is the same lady you faced on our last show. She was our returning champion. Her name is Carolyn Romberg. She has won $24,000 in prizes. And Carolyn, we're delighted to have you back. Now, at the end of our last program, Matthew beat you, and you should have an X in front of you. Right. But we had some confusion over that particular puzzle. It was possible to read it as bucket of bolts or a bucket of bolts. And so we're taking that X away from you. You're starting from scratch. You're going to be here for at least 2 more games. And you're ready to go?
That is great,
all right, take a look over here. We have a lovely prize. Marjorie's all set up. What's this all about, Gene?
Explore the Alps during the day and enjoy a riverfront view at night as you and a guest travel to Zurich, Switzerland. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Frankfurt. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Hotel Zurich, a modern deluxe hotel in the heart of Zurich on the bank of the Lamont River. Features indoor swimming pool, fitness club, and shopping arcade. Enjoy Swiss hospitality furnished by Hotel Zurich. Alex.
Thank you. Sounds like a fabulous vacation. Both Matthew and Carolyn are raving about it already. Let's show them where half of it is. On the board at number 21. And Carolyn, you get to pick first.
Great. I think I'll go right to the middle to number 13 for that trip.
Microwave.
Use that. And I'll match that under number 7.
Washer and dryer. 2 good things for the home, but no match. Matthew.
Okay, I want to go to Switzerland more than anything right now. I want it under number 4.
Zurich, Switzerland.
And the match under 21.
21 is the trip to Switzerland, just like that. And Carolyn hates it when somebody else makes a match on a prize she wants. Open these 2 panels for Matthew. Pick again.
Okay, let's try my mom's birthday, number 14.
Chocolates.
And try for a match under number 1.
Chocolates. Carolyn's not carrying on about this one. Obviously, she's not as partial to chocolates as she is to Zurich, Switzerland.
I can have plenty of chocolates in Switzerland.
All right. Open these 2 doors. Pick again, Matthew.
Okay, let's open up number 19, please.
Washer and dryer.
And we saw a match for that under number 7.
Yes, we did. Number 7 it is. 3 in a row. Open it up. Go again.
Okay, Alex, let's try under number 10, please.
Diamond and sapphire ring.
And maybe a wild card under number 11.
The wild card is under number 11. The other diamond sapphire ring at number 18. This puzzle is opening up very, very quickly. Can Matthew solve it this early? Go again.
Okay, Alex, let's see what's under number 12. And that match was under 12, I believe.
Ceiling fan was under number 12, and that's a good match for you. Opens up the center of the puzzle a little bit more. Select again.
Okay, how about up on top, number 2, please?
Microwave.
I believe a match was on number 13.
Microwave was there, yes. He's what? He's smoking. You bet he is. Let's see if he can solve the puzzle. Select again.
Okay, Alex, let's open up the puzzle down under number 22.
Treadmill.
Treadmill. I need to get in shape. How about number 8?
Green take. No match. I'll tell you, getting up to feed a 5 or 6 month old baby night after night after night will keep you in shape. Carolyn.
Okay, let me see what's behind number 3.
Wild card.
Well, I'm going to take number 8. Let's open that up.
Number 8 is the green take. The other green take is at 24. Do I even put it down?
Don't even bother to put it down, Alex.
I know. You want the chocolates.
Only if they're coming from Switzerland.
All right, Switzerland it is for Carolyn Romberg. A great vacation on her side of the prize board. And now we open 3 more panels. Select again, please, Carolyn.
Let me see what's behind number 9.
Treadmill.
And that was behind 23.
Oh, no, it wasn't. Matthew, back to you. Big break.
I
Big
believe
break.
that was under number 22.
Yes.
And the match under number 9.
And now she says she knows what it is. Let's open the 2 panels for Matthew. Does he know what it is? Not yet. Matthew, there is a wild card still in play on this board. Make a selection.
Let's see if that wild card's under number 20.
No, red take,
Red
but if you
take.
find the match or the wild card, you can take back the Switzerland vacation.
I would love to take that back. Try number 25.
Color TV, no match. Carolyn,
Number 6
red take,
and number 20.
red take. Now, there are other good prizes up there. Nothing you have can be taken away.
I want the treadmill.
The treadmill?
Treadmill.
Treadmill it is. Put it on Carolyn's side and open these 2 doors. And for a win of just 2 prizes, what is the solution?
Commanding General.
Commanding General, she says, and she is right. Why are you shaking your head? Because you can't believe how great things have been for you on this program. Let's go to the board and you get to explain it. All right. Carolyn, why don't you look over here?
Well, this is the comb. This is a man. Plus ding is commanding. And the gin plus the ear plus the all is general, commanding general.
Commanding General is absolutely right. Matthew, you had it all there.
Close.
Came very, very close indeed. That's just 1 strike against you,
All right.
so we'll take you backstage and we'll bring you back to play in the second game
All
in
right.
just a little bit.
I'll be back.
All right, you've got the
Alex.
prize of the day, the holiday in Switzerland, and you got the treadmill, and you get to go to the winner's circle with 55 seconds on the clock after this. All right, Carolyn, she's not too eager, is she, folks? She's standing right at the very edge of the winner's circle. Here are the 15 numbered squares and the clock with 55 seconds. You're going to do it now, Carolyn.
Yes.
Good luck. Go to work.
1, 3,
No,
4, 6,
no,
7, 9,
no.
10, 6,
Yes.
12, 3,
No,
2, 5,
no,
3, 12,
no.
5, 12,
Right.
11, 2,
No,
1, 11,
right.
4, 7,
No,
9, 3,
no.
2, 7,
Yep.
8, 14,
No,
4, 14.
Yep.
13. 3.
No.
9. 13.
Yep.
8. 15.
She got it. She called it before it went to 0, and you got the charade. Yes.
Did I get it?
Did I get it? She says. Yes.
Get me
And
out of
this
here.
is what you got. Game. Go for
Did
it.
I get it?
Carolyn, you've just won this Daihatsu Charade SE 4-door. Features a 1.0-liter single overhead cam, 4-cylinder engine, and automatic transmission, furnished by Daihatsu. A prize worth over $9,200.
Carolyn, we didn't give you the total a few minutes ago when you won that trip to Switzerland, but now you're leaving us with $39,684. She wants to go home. We'll be back to play game number 2 right after this. Carolyn Romberg leaves us with about $40,000 in prizes. Marjorie, you are going to love. Even before she and I were introduced, she said to me, "Why are you always picking on Marjorie?" Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Marjorie's protectress, Wilma Strayer. Wilma, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Now, tell me about yourself quickly. You were married, and you have how many children?
6 children.
All of them through college?
Yes.
Grandchildren?
4.
4 of them. Are they going to be watching Grandma today to see you win some prizes?
Well, the little ones might not understand, and the other one is in school, I think.
Yeah? Okay, well, you can tape it. Take a look over here, and we'll show you one of the prizes you could wind up winning in this game.
Part of Adler & Company's jewelry collection's a stunning ruby and diamond necklace crafted in 14-karat gold. It features 9 sparkling diamonds and 9 beautiful red rubies, adding sparkle and color to a woman's wardrobe furnished by Adler & Company.
Rubies and diamonds and beautiful heart-shaped pendant. Let's show Wilma and Matthew where they can find it. Number 12. Now, Wilma, this is the second game of this show today, and that means we've got the bonus car seconds up there. We have the cash pot, and it has $700 in it, and we have a Palm Springs getaway, and you get to pick first.
Let's go with 25.
Number 25, a woman's apparel and shoes combination.
Let's try number 7.
Number 7, green tape, no match. Matthew?
Okay, let's go up to the top under number 1.
Gas range.
Range. How about a match or a wild card under number 4?
No, 5 bonus car seconds there. Back to Wilma.
17.
Cash pot.
9.
Wild card, it's going to work out for you. The other cash pot at number 5. 3 boxes opening up for you, Wilma. Take a look. Select again.
Number 2.
Red take.
Oh, that'd be nice. 18.
No, pair of table lamps. Matthew.
Okay, let's go over to my birthday, number 19.
Red take.
Take, we saw that up under number 2.
Number 2 is correct. Yes. Here is the red take. Now, Wilma just put the cash pot up there, and that's $700. You can take it now, or we have a great vacation, other good prizes.
I take the cash. Cash is king.
Cash is king in your household? Okay.
Yeah.
Matthew says, cash is king, give it to me, and open these 2 doors. See if I can solve this puzzle. Select again.
Okay, let's see what is under number 8.
Diamond and ruby necklace.
I believe that was under number 12.
Diamond and ruby necklace is right. Open these 2 doors for Matthew. I just looked up into the audience, the far corner of the studio over there, and I see a young lady with an infant. I'm going to take a guess and say that is your 5-month-old son,
5
Andrew.
weeks.
5
weeks?
5 weeks?
Yeah.
5 weeks.
That's him.
Let's take a look at that little baby. Is that pretty or what? That's little Andrew. He's sort of gazing off into space. He's a little bit oblivious right now, but that's the way I am 90% of the time. Matthew, I didn't mean to interrupt your train of thought. You select again. See if you can make another match.
Okay, let's try number 18.
Pair of table
Oh, I
lamps.
saw that before. Try a wild card under number 21.
Electronic typewriter. No match. Wilma.
Number 16.
Women's apparel
Oh,
and
25?
shoes. 25. That's it. Yes. That was your first selection, if I recall correctly. A prize up there for you, Wilma, and a chance to solve this puzzle. Select again.
11.
5 bonus car seconds.
Where did we see that? 4?
4. Yes. You've watched this game quite often, haven't you?
Oh, I watch it every time I get a chance.
Do you play it well at home?
Yeah, quite often.
Are you pretty good at figuring out the puzzles? Do you get them before the contestants do?
Lots of times.
Yeah? All right, well, let's see. You're a contestant today. Let's see how well you do as we open these 2 additional doors. Select again, Wilma.
20.
Green take.
13.
No, car phone. Matthew.
Oh, we need a car phone bad. Let's try for one under number 22.
Palm Springs Escape.
I need that worse. Let's try for that. Try for that under number 15.
Yeah, they can call you at the hotel in Palm Springs. There's a gas range. No match. Wilma.
18.
18. Pair of table lamps. We're back to that one.
10.
That would have been my selection, but that's the Palm Springs Escape. Matthew.
Okay, I believe that was 22.
Yes.
And number 10.
10 is the Palm Springs Vacation, and we will open these 2 doors for Matthew. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 6.
Car phone.
And match that under number 18.
Oh, no, we keep going back to those table lamps. Wilma.
Oh, gee. So it's, 23.
23. Pair of table lamps.
18.
And 18. Now's the time for that match. All right, Wilma, is this enough to do it for you? All right, pick it. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons now. Good reflexes are going to be important. We're going to start revealing the puzzle to you, 1 square at a time, beginning with number 1, 3, 6, 7, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 24. Matthew's in first.
It's a mystery to me.
Is it? It's a mystery to me. And it is. And Matthew gets some money and gets a trip and some jewelry. Let's go to the board.
Okay, we got the hit, which is plural hits. Hey, it's a mystery to me. It's a mystery to me.
A mystery to me. It was no mystery to you. You solved the puzzle beautifully. And Wilma, that's just 1 strike against you, and that means that next time you face Matthew, it'll be in a tiebreaker game, a deciding game in the match. We'll see you in that one. Right now, Matthew, let's hear about your prizes. You won some good ones. You're going to enjoy this. Gene.
A cash pot worth $700 and a Palm Springs escape. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Palm Springs, and you'll spend 7 heavenly days in Palm Springs at the International Hotel Resort. Continental breakfast included, pool, saunas, 3 restaurants available, furnished by International Resort Hotel, and of course, the beautiful diamond ruby necklace. And these prizes are worth $4,030.
Good prizes for you, Matthew. He says, I'm happy with whatever I get. He's going to be even happier if he wins a brand new car after this break.
Now.
Well, I'm into babies now, and I spent some very enjoyable seconds during the commercial break with this little Andrew, 5 weeks old. Is he cute? Yes, he is. He doesn't know it, but he's going to be proud of Daddy someday if Daddy wins a brand new car right now. He'll be proud of you for many other reasons, I'm sure. But let's go for it, Matthew. 15 numbered squares and 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 3.
Nope.
4, 6.
Nope.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
Nope.
4, 8.
Nope.
3, 5.
No.
13, 14.
No.
3, 14.
Yep.
2, 12.
No.
15, 4.
Yep.
7, 6.
No.
5, 9.
No, it's not gonna work.
8, 2.
No. You got off to a bad start, and you could never recover. But that's all right. You're up to $5,425 in prizes, and we're up to this break.
Some of today's participants may receive Food Saver Compact. Keeps foods fresher longer and prevents freeze or burn. Commercial quality vacuum packing for the home, furnished by Food Saver. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you next time. Have a good day. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.